Hello everybody and welcome back to another math video. This one will be a quick one as compared to my other ones, and it'll just be covering the importance of using the plus or minus symbol when dealing with square roots. And to be specific, I mean when you were the one introducing the square root. It probably would be easier to just show you than to just sit here and talk about it. So as a quick example, I'm going to give x squared equals 4. If I say solve for x, the simplest thing to do would just be square root both sides. The square and the square root cancel out. You have x equals plus or minus 2, right? Because I was the one to introduce the square root, I need to include a plus or minus in my answer. The reason for this is because, well, let's plug in 2 into my original equation. Let's say, so remember my original equation was x squared equals 4, so let's plug in positive 2. 2 squared, well, 2 times 2, that's 4. What about if I do negative 2 squared? Well, a negative times a negative is a positive, and then 2 times 2 is still 4. If you notice, my answer is the same, so both the positive and the negative versions of this work. And so because of that, just as a note, because you were the one who introduced the square root, you need to include the plus or minus for you to take into account both possible answers from this.